Hi everyone, my name is Michelle Mills and welcome to Immigration Talks with Michelle Mills. Tonight, I want to talk about the rights of illegal immigrants in the United States. And what spurred this conversation is the article that I saw 2 days ago by HuffPost that says immigration authorities detain woman on a Greyhound bus after asking everyone for ID. Now, I want to talk a little bit about this article. And it says in the article here specifically that Greyhound, they said that they were required to comply with all local, state, and federal laws and to cooperate with the relevant enforcement agencies if they asked to board our buses or enter stations. Unfortunately, even routine transportation checks negatively impact our operations and some customers directly. Here in this article, the woman who was detained was a Jamaican woman who was visiting family. She overstayed her visa. She was then taken for removal proceedings. Now, I want to let you all know that Border Patrol cannot pull anyone over without reasonable suspicion of an immigration violation or crime. The 14th Amendment of the Constitution also protects people from arbitrary stops and seizures, but federal law allows this to be overlooked in areas where it is 100 miles from the U.S. border, and Florida is within this scope. So here, they have the authority to board the bus and to do their inspection. Now, I want to talk about the right of this woman as an illegal immigrant because she overstayed her visa. And let me be clear, because you have a visa that's for 2 to 3 years, whatever it may be, doesn't mean that you have the authority to stay within the United States for 2 to 3 years. It simply means that you can visit within that time. In my next video, I'm going to talk about green card applications and folks who are marrying citizens and their ability to overstay their visa. So check out that video next. But in this situation, she overstayed her visa, the I-94, and therefore she was illegal. Now, under the 14th Amendment, it says in part, no state shall deprive any person of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor deny to any person within its jurisdiction the equal protection of the laws. So if you are detained and questioned by law enforcement, immediately call an attorney who can represent you, because here you have the right under the United States Constitution to due process. And what that means is that you have the right to be heard. You have the right to defend yourself under the law. Now, this is Immigration Talks with Michelle Mills. Subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you next time for our next chat.